Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some fairly pleasant conditions overall across the regions this morning, other than some cloudy skies. Rain showers that were expected to move through the area have decreased in intensity, and not really seeing that across the area as of right now. Only seeing a 20% chance of a shower throughout the rest of the morning hours, and seeing in general dry conditions for this morning into the afternoon hours, other than a possibility of a sprinkle moving through. So move into our Thursday looking like fairly good conditions, a slight chance of a pop-up shower, and then Friday looks like conditions deteriorate across the region with what will be moisture associated with will be weakening tropical cyclone Helene across the Tennessee Valley. So move into our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 13,900 feet, winds out of the southeast around 15 knots in low levels, and turning more southwesterly in mid-levels and up to 29 knots out of the west-southwest at 25,000 feet this morning. Current surface analysis, we have a ridge of high pressure nosing down the coastal plain into the mid-Atlantic region. That's kind of keeping us drier this morning than was expected. We're having the boundary move through the region as well, giving us more southeasterly flow other than the northeasterly flow we've seen the last few days. But overall today, looking like we'll see a fairly pleasant day across the region. Just some primarily cloudy skies and mild temperatures in the 70s. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see lots of cloud cover across the region, mainly around 3,000 feet, as well as upper level cirrus cloudiness across the area. And looking at the radar imagery currently, you can see we don't have much across the area, just some scattered very light returns, and not really seeing much of this reach the ground either. So looking like better conditions expected this morning. And moving into our HRRR model for the next 48 hours or so, you can see that activity really dissipates for later this morning into the afternoon hours in the HRRR model as well. And then move into our Thursday, we'll see a very slight chance of a pop-up shower. HRRR's not really showing that. Other models are indicating it could happen, so I'm looking at about a 20% chance of a pop-up shower on Thursday. And then for Friday, we'll see moisture associated with what will be weakening tropical cyclone, or possibly post-tropical cyclone Helene at this time, moving the region Friday morning, and that looks like we should see a fairly wet day on Friday as of right now. So looking at the European model the next 2 days, Thursday you can see a possibility of pop-up shower, and then for Friday looking like we'll have a good amount of activity across the region associated with some showers, even a possible thunderstorm late in the day. European does take Hurricane Helene into the Big Bend of Florida on Thursday evening to Friday, and we'll be seeing those showers move to the region on Friday. Saturday right now looks like a better day than was expected yesterday, with a boundary north of our region. Not really seeing much wind across the area. We'll see warmer conditions in the mid-80s. Very slight chance of a shower in the morning on Saturday, but otherwise good conditions on Saturday. Sunday and Monday looks like conditions deteriorate a bit across the region, as well as an upper level low moving through the region. Looks like Monday might be a better chance of rainfall than Sunday is right now, but continue to monitor that as we get closer. And then Tuesday looks like we see some improving conditions, especially in the afternoon hours. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high of 76, low of 70 tonight, seeing some slight chances of some rainfall. Thunderstorm chances to take those out. So we'll have good conditions in general today, other than slight chances of sprinkles this morning. Southeasterly winds 9 to 14 knots, gusts to 20 knots for this afternoon. And overnight, winds die down as that boundary moves north of the region south, 4 to 8 knots. Other than that, we'll have a slight chance of seeing some lower clouds, but overall, only about a 20% chance of seeing that. So 24-hour terminal forecast, see those slight chances of rainfall for this morning into the early afternoon hours. And then we'll just see dry conditions in general. No chances of rainfall after 1600 local, and a slight chance of rainfall after Thursday 8 local, but that only looks about 15 to 20% chance for Thursday morning. Our tides are about 1 foot above normal. And looking at Thursday into Friday, Thursday mostly cloudy and warm, slight chance of shower, high of 80. Thursday night, mostly cloudy, overcast, slight chance of low clouds overnight, a low of 70. And for Friday, overcast, good chance of rain showers, slight chance of thunderstorm by late afternoon and the evening, high of 77 degrees. So next 7 days, we'll see some low-end chances of precip for several of the days here. Best chance comes on Friday, 70% chance with rain showers likely. A slight chance we see some lingering morning showers on Saturday, but most likely seeing Saturday as an improving day across the region, high of 85. Sunday and Monday, as that upper level low moves towards the region, could be seeing some showers, looks like right now. Depending on how quickly we'll see that upper level move towards the region, one of those days we're going to see a decent chance of some showers. Right now, a little bit better chance on Monday in this forecast. The temperatures will be a little bit cooler as well on Sunday and Monday, in the mid-70s, about seasonable for this time of year. And then for Tuesday, looks like we start to clear out across the region, high around 75, probably mostly cloudy skies. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.